Assalamu alaikum and a very, 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 very good morning to all of my students. How are you? I hope you are super great and fantastic. Are you? Yes, that is super good. I always want to see you smiling. I also want to see you with so much of energy and so much of enthusiasm, right? Yeah, that's the way we should start our day. Ah, yes, we should start our day healthy, right? What do you think are the healthy things we should start with our day? Ah, yeah, we should get up early, yeah. So we will start our day as early, so we'll have a lot of time to do so many things we want to, right? And then after getting up, we need to clean us up, wash and take shower. Yes. And then, yeah, we need to take a healthy meal. Yeah, that's important as well. That's very important, rather, right? Yeah, having a healthy meal even makes us strong for the whole day to do whatever we want to with lots of energy. Not like lethargic, oh, I don't want to do this, oh, I don't want to go out, oh, maybe I don't feel like doing it. No, we should be energetic, happy, enthusiastic, right? So we can do our house chores and we can do our schoolwork or we can do our activities with full of energy, right? And for that, we have to have some energy. Yeah. So we take energy from so many things. But as we were talking right now, that we have to start our day with a healthy meal. Yeah. And healthy meal contains many things, right? Whatever you like, maybe. Maybe you like to have milk, maybe you like to have fruits, maybe you like to have oats or juice or whatever you like, right? But one thing people say that having an apple a day early in the morning is very, very healthy. Isn't that? Can you see this? I have a small apple tree. Yeah. And we've got some small apples on that. And what we are going to do with this? Yeah. This is our arts class. And we will, yeah, we are going to learn to draw an apple. Oh, wow. But before that, why is it important? Why apples are important? Yeah, they're very important. Do you like apples? Yes. Today we are going to draw an apple. But before that, I have to share some things with you. Why are apples so important? Why do we have to eat an apple a day to keep Mr. Doctor away? Right? We don't want to see doctors, not most of the time, right? Yeah, maybe if he's your uncle or maybe your aunt, then you have to see them, right? Otherwise, it's better to have healthy food so we don't see the doctors, right? So the apples are very much rich in carbohydrates. Do you know that? Yeah, they're very rich in carbohydrates. And kid, and why is this important for small kids? Do you know? Kids needs a lot of energy, right? They're doing everything. You don't sit for a while. You don't sit and relax, right? You are always on your toes, doing so many things, right? And you need an extra dose of energy. And why? Because you're growing. Every day you're growing, right? We're grown-ups, but you're still growing. We're also growing in age, but you're growing like your bones are growing, your body's growing, your teeth are growing, right? You are growing, right? So you need extra dose of energy. So apples have carbohydrates, which are going to make, yes, very active. It will give you energy, right? Because you have to grow up strong. Yeah, you have to grow up strong. They have got lots of vitamins like vitamin A, vitamin B1, vitamin B2. They've got vitamin C's. They've got iron. Yes, apple has got a lot of iron, iodine. That is really, really good. Iron Man. Have you seen Iron Man? Yeah, Iron Man can punch. Really, sorry, you don't have to punch anybody like that, right? But you need apple to keep your bodies, your muscles, your bones, and yourself strong, right? So apples have got lots and lots of iron, and that gives your skin very clear, no acne, right? This gives your muscles strength. This gives your bones strength. What else do we need, right? Wow, that's so amazing to eat apples. They gives us lots and lots of energy. That is super great. I would like to have an apple tree in my garden. I don't have an apple tree in my garden, but I would love to. Okay, so we are all going to put the seed of apple and we will, or maybe we'll get an apple plant, small plant, and we'll put it in the garden. And then what do we have? It has got antioxidant, and then antioxidant, that what does it do? That boosts and improves your immunity, right? So you don't get ill. So maybe sometimes we got sneeze and cough and flu a little, but that's okay. But that boosts your immunity and reduced the symptom of childhood illness, right? Babies, like kids, mostly have that problem, asthma. So this controls that. And this eating apple, that improves your digestion. Remember, even banana improves your digestion. That makes you feel full. Yeah, you have got small little tummies. If you're going to eat apple, your tummy will feel full. And you're not always, you'll go to the mommy, I'm hungry, I want to eat something. No. So if you're eating, you have like a small, there is a, sorry, you have eaten your breakfast and then there is a time in between, you can eat apple or banana, right? So apple early in the morning is very good. And then this even helps in child obesity. If you're going to eat apple, you're not going to put up weight, right? You'll be healthy, active, smart little child. And this even boosts your brain power. Ah, wow, that is so amazing. By only eating an apple a day, you can have so much, right? You don't have to go to the doctor. You'll feel fresh, you'll feel full, you'll feel active, energetic, your bones, your muscles, your eyes, yes, your eyes, your skin, everything. Wow, right? So you are going to eat an apple a day now, right? That is super great, amazing. So apple comes in different colors, right? We have red apples, and we have green apples, and we have big apples, and we have got small apples, right? The different types of apples. So we are going to learn to draw apple, and that's very easy, very, very easy. By just drawing a couple of lines, you'll be able to draw an apple, right? Okay, so are you ready? That is lovely, super good. But before we're going to start, you have to make the promise that everybody is going to eat an apple a day, right? Because you're growing, you have to have that energy to grow up healthy, grow up happy, right? Grow up healthy and happy, because that is most important, right? Okay, so we are going to put our apple with the apple tree. Wow. Okay, we have a big apple and we have small apples, right? Okay, so everybody should be ready with the paper and your pencil, right? Okay, wow. Everybody, with your paper and the pencil, you're going to put your paper on the table flat, right? As you keep your textbook flat when you are tracing and writing, right? Okay, now everybody, yeah, put the paper flat on the table. Good. Your pencil, right? Okay, now sit properly on the chair. Relax yourself, right? Okay, relax your arms. Oh, that's what. Okay, that will be better if we just do a little stretching. So we are ready for tracing, drawing and making lines, right? Okay, so come on, put your pencils down. Right. Okay, that is great. Right. Okay, now relax. Yeah, that's great. Good, 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 good. Everybody? Yes. Okay. Okay, that is lovely. So you're going to stretch your arms up and down, right? Okay. So everybody ready? Come on. Okay. Now we're going to stretch your arms. Come on, ready? Okay, that's great. So everybody with the count. Get set, ready. Yeah. One. Yes. Two. Okay. Three. Stretch, stretch, stretch. Okay. Four. And five. Yay. That is lovely. Good, good, good. Okay. So just wave your hands. Wave your hands. Okay, that's great. Okay. Fist. Make a fist. And round and round and round. Round, round, round and round, 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 round and round. Yeah, okay. Okay, now relax yourself. Okay, right? Good. Yeah, that's lovely. Okay, so everybody ready with your pencil and your paper, right? And relaxed, right? Sit properly, relax yourself. Okay, that's great. Amazing. Okay, so I am going to have this, right? So you will be able to see what I'm drawing, right? Okay, I'm going to open it up. And now remember, we are going to draw an apple, right? We are going to draw an apple. Okay, so are you ready? Okay, can you see this? Yes, okay. So first of all, you are going to make a dot, right? Everybody, look here. Okay, so make a dot just in the middle of the paper, right? Yes, okay, that is great. So everybody make a dot, right? Okay, everybody done? Look up. Okay, that's great. Now you're going to put your pencil here, right? And you will follow the teacher, right? You're going to follow me. Okay, now put your pencils on the dot. Put your pencils on the dot, everybody. On the dot. Yes, good. Okay. Now we are going to make a curve line, right? Okay, now start it a little up and then come down here, right? Okay, done? Okay, let me join this, right? Okay, done? Okay, once again, just put your pencil and then draw the line. I hope I'm on the line. Okay, like this. Yeah, and then again, put your hand, or put your pencil on the dot, and then make a curved line, and then come down, and then join, right? Okay, so I'm going to make it again because I'll just put it over here, right? Okay, so I'm going to make it again. So I'll be able to make it up properly, right? I'll show you. Dot, and then this, right? Dot again, and then we are going to join, right? Okay, see, that was so easy to make an apple, right? So this is an apple. And then we're going to make a little diagonal line over here, right? Like this. Now make a diagonal line that should be small, right? And then starting from here, a little curved line, and you're going to join the dot, right? From the next end, you are going to make a curved line and join the dot. Wow, that is lovely, right? Apple. And you can even make a little leaf with two curved lines. Yay! Make two curved lines like this and this and this in the middle. So you will be able to make the leaf. That is good. Okay. So, was that easy? Yeah, you have to make a dot, then make a curve line, come down and stop in the middle. Then again, starting from the dot, make a line, curve line, come down and yay. Then a diagonal line like this and a curvy line to join the dot. Then at the other end, start the curvy line and join the dot. And then one curve, then second curve, and then in the middle, you can make another curve, right? Okay, now everybody, show me your apple. Wow, that is lovely, super great. You made lovely apples. That is so great. Wow, see, you're all healthy children with healthy, active minds. So you picked up so quickly. That is great. So if you want to make it a red apple, you are going to color it red. Or if you want to have a green apple, you're going to make it a little green, but like light green. So the leaf should be a little dark green and the stem, this little stem should be brown, right? Though I like red color, so I'm going to paint this or color this red, right? But not right now, maybe later on, right? So this is the apple which I made before, right? This is my apple, which is red. So that is up to you if you want to make it red or green. That's okay, right? So whatever you like, you can have that, right? So everybody has finished. Okay, now you can just color it, but make sure that you don't go off the line, right? You stay in the line when you're coloring, right? Can you see this? The this black line, the red should be in the line, right? It should not go out of the line. And then the stem and the leaf, right? You can make green, both of them, or you can even make the stem brown, right? Okay, so this was my apple, and yeah, this is also my apple, right? So this I drew before, and this is the fresh apple, right? So I hope you have enjoyed it. I hope you like my apple tree as well and my apple as well. And I hope that you really know now that how healthy are the apples to eat. And specifically early in the morning when you're having your breakfast, maybe with your sandwich or maybe with your boiled egg, you can have an apple, right? Or maybe with a glass of milk, you can have an apple, right? But as I told you, don't miss this meal of your day because that's the most important meal of the day. Breakfast is the most important meal of the day, right? So nobody has to miss that, right? Promise? Promise? Yes, that is super great. I'm so happy, right? You all are very sweet and very smart kids, right? So that's great. We have apples and we have learned about apples, how healthy are they, and why should we eat apples? Yeah. So you all enjoy your day and I'll see you in our next class, right? Okay. Till then, stay safe and be happy. Okay. Goodbye.